Hey, yo! Want to make free unlimited text to image and video in just one click? Okay, 2 clicks, 1 for image, 1 for animate. Just like that spooky ghost clip or those sweet Candyland vibes. Well, let's cook some chaos, will ya? Follow me. Head over to Meta AI's lab. Yup, just search it up. Once you're in, it feels like you've just stepped into a secret laboratory of imagination. You can explore around like a wild scientist or click on the image tab to dive straight into creation. Let's click on the suggested prompt tab and pick. Oh, a flying car! By default, it creates square images 1-to-1, but you can change that. Click on the ratio box and pick your vibe. Me, I go big! 16:9 for that full cinematic banana blast. Each prompt gives you 4 images. Want to bring them to life? Just hit the animate button. Alright, look at that. The cars are flying now. Whoo! It's still experimental, so don't expect your characters to do cartwheels just yet. It adds cool motion to the image, but for true animation, you gotta level up your prompt. To make characters or objects actually move, your prompt needs more sauce, more detail, more drama, more weirdness. Ask your buddy ChatGPT or Google Gemini to help you cook up juicy prompts fast, then tweak them to your liking. Let's take a peek at the prompt made for a train scene. See that? The more you describe, the more alive it gets. Okay, horror fans, this one's for you! You can make haunted houses, creepy shadows, ghost ladies crawling out of TV, you name it. But again, scary scenes need those extra rich, bone-chilling prompt details to get spooky right. It's still experimental. It's learning, but that's why it's free, baby. Take full advantage while it's hot out of the lab. Just remember, if your prompt is boring, your ghost will be too, so give her personality. Want to animate your own image? Click the lil plus sign to upload it. Quick tip, you must say animate in your request. Otherwise, it'll just toss some text at you and call it a day. So, what are you waiting for? Go animate some nightmares or dreams or banana-powered flying lizards, whatever your jam is. All right, off you go now. I've got more free digital goodies to cook up for you. This is Professor Banana signing off with a peel and a squeal. Oh, and in the next video, I'll show you how to add the sauce, the spices, the simple spooky stuff to turn those scary scenes into a real scary video for free. It's gonna be creepy and tasty. Ha!